Looking for a place to study at? Wondering whether you need a master's degree or not? Searching for an up-to-date and sought-after specialty? We ask the professors of the Ural Power Engineering Institute the questions that concern any applicant.
Today, the global economy is on the way of widespread introduction of digital technologies. It is widely known that power industry is a driver of the economy, so it should be digitalized as well. My name is Alexandra Halesma. I've got my PhD degree in technical sciences and I'm the director of Master Curricula, Artificial Intelligence for Power Industry Applications and Energy for Smart Cities at the Ural Federal University. Here it is very important to understand that within the framework of both of the programs we train specialists for the field and energy sector. In case of the program in applied mathematics, this will be system analysts, specialists in the field of data science and software development who understand the specifics of industrial problems. In case of the electrical engineering program, this will be the industry specialists who are able to correctly formulate terms of reference for new intelligent solutions and who coordinate the development of such systems. Today, at the enterprises of the fuel and energy sector, digitalization departments are being created almost everywhere, where specialists with new skills are required.
My name is Leonid Plotnikov. I'm a professor of Turbines and Engines Department of Ural Federal University. The discipline Operation Modes of Distributed Generation contains up-to-date information about thermal processes and ecology in relation to small-scale power generation sources in Russia and in the world.
I am Konstantin Bugrov, Doctor of History and Professor of the Department of Russian History at the Ural Federal University. The discipline I was working on is called History of Power Industry, and it covers different aspects of the history of the last approximately 200 years in which this actual industry developed as one of the pillars of the society. Well, if you want to learn a lot about how power industry affects various aspects of our lives, you know, in social and economic, probably in political, also in some other ways, you know, then we gather everything under the same cover and pack it as the history of power industry. So that's about it.
My name is Stanislav Yaroshenko. I am an associate professor of Ural Federal University. I hold a PhD degree and that's it. The title of the discipline is Machine Learning in Power Industry. And this discipline is on the front line of up-to-date science because it combines together the information technologies and electrical and power engineering. So we get this multidisciplinary cocktail, yes, and which provides you not only with the hard skills of just programming or understanding some technological issues, but with soft skills of being, you know, flexible in mind, yes, and getting and acquiring new knowledge and skills.
My name is Ivan Smolyanov. I am Philosopher Doctor of Engineering. I work in Ural Federal University in Department of Electrical Engineering. I will teach you some basic of programming in Python. Any advanced engineer have to know how to calculate some simple case, simple his task. Python has a lot of engineering libraries and in my opinion it's the most important to know for any student, for any engineer today.
Innovation Management in the Power Industry. The course now is not about lofty matters, but about how to create your own startup in the energy sector, how to make your ideas become an innovative business, and let your unique technology to be driver of industrial development.
Well, that's a good question, you know. I would say that if you want to grow over yourself and if you want to be capable of learning new capacities in your professional career, if you want to become a really multitask specialist, which is quite valuable nowadays and will become even more valuable in the years to come, you know, you have to go for the master's degree.
Why do we need this master degree? Yeah, and I would say that getting master degree is really in demand by the labor market, and I know many of the employers who have this requirement of having master's degree. So this is very important for your future employment. It's the first point. And the second point, it's very useful for you, and you make yourself more advanced, more educated in the particular area you've selected, and you make your mind more flexible, so you will be able to get even more knowledge and skills in many other fields you may deal with during your professional activities.
Master's degree graduates becomes a truly good specialist with deep knowledge and a broad-based outlook. Aristotle once said the roots of education are bitter and the fruit is sweet.
In my opinion, master degree gives you a possibility to find new knowledge, new friends, have fun.
Supplementary, engaging, useful.